Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 clone, and I'll show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So to get started, pull down the app tray from the bottom and tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go down into Cloud and Accounts. Then tap on Accounts and tap on Add. Then choose Google. Now you will need to be connected to Wi-Fi for this to work, or any kind of network. And from here, put in the email address and tap the Next. And then you will need to put in the password. So I'm gonna put mine in. And once I have, I'm just gonna tap on Next. And I will see this thing where I need to agree to the terms of service for Google. So I agree. And from here, make sure this is selected and tap on Accept. And now you can actually tap on Google, the one that you have added. And from here, you can actually customize what you want it to be backed up. And if you don't want something to be backed up, you can just switch it off like so. So yeah. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.